how are you doing today? Thank you for being here. My name is Jen and welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. So today we are going to make something with the Chinese eggplant. So it's like Chinese eggplants in garlic and ginger sauce. So I have these 3 eggplants that we're gonna cut into wedges. But before we fry this, I'm going to sprinkle those with some salt, coat it with salt, and then after like maybe 15 minutes when they start sweating, drawing out all that moisture, then I'm gonna rinse it, and then I'm gonna pat it dry with paper towel and coat it with cornstarch. So that way it has a really nice texture when you bite into it. It has that little bit of crispiness. And then we are gonna make the sauce, and then we're gonna saute our garlic and ginger and add this red chili pepper, and then add the sauce, and then just simmer it until it thickens. Very, very simple. This is something that you would do at the end of the day when you really have that full day. Then coming home from work, you really don't want to make anything complicated. So this is the simple dish to make. So let's go ahead and start cutting the eggplant into wedges first. Okay, my lovelies, so I'm drying off these eggplants after I rinse them. So they're, just make sure that they're completely dry, and now we're ready to coat them with cornstarch. So make sure that they are well coated, and then we're going to fry them and then remove them from the pan, and then we're gonna start sauteing the garlic and the ginger and then our sauce, and you're done. So I'm just coating this with cornstarch. So I'm using the same pan, and then we're gonna make the sauce. Okay, my lovelies, we're ready to try our eggplant. It's so wonderful. That sweetness and tanginess of the sauce goes so well with the eggplant, and that there's this crispiness of the eggplant. So the reason why we coat it with salt first and then wait until the moisture comes out and then we rinse it, it's because we want to mellow down that bitterness from the eggplant, and that step is important. So because right now it's really a really mellow, tender taste, and then with the cornstarch there's like a crispiness, and then that sauce is so wonderful with the garlic, ginger, and that tanginess and the sweetness. It's so wonderful. So my lovelies, try this and let me know what you think. And if you have any questions, just pop it in the comment. And then if you see any recipes that I posted, just head on to my website, leanbellaskitchen.com. And until then, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.